Now let's go to number 14. Identify the customer who has spent the most purchases but hasn't made a purchase in the last year. Let's go to the SQL. So first thing we do is we have to select the customer's first name, and last name. Then we have to do the sum of the price times the quantity as the total spent. Mm. From the customers, and then inner join the purchases on customer ID and the primary key customer ID. Inner join the product details on the purchases product details ID equals to ED product details ID. And then inner join products on product ed.product ID equals e.product ID, where the purchases date is less than date sub the now, and then we have to put interval to 1 year. Then we have to group by the customer ID and order by the total spent in a descending order, and we have to limit it to 1. So this is the result, which has the customer name of Alicia Martinola, and her total spent is 2,040.